to improve the image quality is to do something called gamma correction, right? You have different cameras and you have different camera sensors. These different camera sensors have different response to light intensity. So they produce different electric signals, same input. So how do we ensure that there is a consistency in terms of image recorded by different cameras for a given input light? There should be a consistency. Light emitted by different display devices device for the same image. So I mean, even if you have a number of cameras and you want to have the image look similar, so what you do is you do something called gamma correction, right? So the gamma correction is basically a particular value of a function a power gamma. So any intensity value a can be put onto a power law like this gamma value, and then you will be able to get a new value. This new value can be plotted. So this essentially be used in many applications. So gamma function, a good approximate to approximate exposure curve. Inverse gamma function, another gamma function. Inverse of gamma function is also another gamma function. Gamma bar is equal to by gamma. So this gamma function, gamma correction is always used in certain cathode ray tubes and LCD monitors. So this is essentially the new value of the function given the old value and the gamma value. So you can conduct a lot of experiments on this. So different gamma values looking like this. Okay, so this is this and different gamma values. Now you have also known as this alpha blending, alpha and 1 minus alpha of I background and I foreground. So of these pixels, you will be able to get a new image I dash. So